failure to participate rule. That failure to participate rule in the World Athletics Rule 4.4 is the rule number. Is not applicable to every single competition. It's applicable to the World Championships, it can be applicable to boys and girls champs, but it's not applicable to all of this.
Look there, Shanghai just now, as the athletes are being introduced to the national stadium. This is Leon Smith, looking quite serious. Beside her, Joan Reed, University of Arkansas.
Formerly of San Diego. Ran in the 100 meter here, didn't make it to the finals. Leon Smith was actually false started coming to the false start in the 100 meter heats.
Running out of lane 5, this is Kebona Davis of the University of Texas.
Yes, lines up for race number 44 of the season from the University of Texas. Big 12 champion as a team, ran the 4x1, NCAA champion as well.
In lane number 4, the legend that is Shelly and Fraser Pryce of Elite Performance.
Believe it or not, Shelly said, well, the 200 is my weak event, but she's a world champion in the 200 meters. She's an Olympic silver medalist in the 200 meters, and that's her weak event. And if you don't know, she's wearing shorts and a fitted top.
Yeah, she's
so thorough. In lane 3, Shelly Forbes of sprinting.
It has World Student Games champion to her resume. She will have a great start. See how she does for the rest of the race.
And in lane 2, became Harriet of GC Boston.
Now running with the Maurice Wilson-led team. Used to be at home with Peck. Let's see how she makes her transition at the sea.
So center their blocks for semi-final 3 of 3, the women's 200 meters. The world lead stands at currently 21.80 by the American Abby Steiner. See if that will be challenged then at all. Fraser Pryce, season's best at 22.41. Eyes on her. Set. Back. Set on for semi-final 3 of the women's 200 meters. Fraser Pryce already up onto the shoulders of Kebona Davis, who had season's best and personal best 22.26, has been doing well this season. But it's all about Shelly and Fraser Pryce, and she strides to victory here in semi-final 3 of the 200 meters. Shelly and Fraser Pryce booking her ticket to Sunday's final ahead of Kebona Davis, who takes second. Who's going for third there as Shelly Forbes came through for that third spot. Shelly and Fraser Pryce looking on point. Just beauty all round. This evening, as Shelly and Fraser Pryce is concerned, that kind of run.
What a rocket start. I mean, catching Kebona Davis within the first 20, 30 meters. And this is a Kebona Davis who has set a new personal best this year of 10.95 in 100 meters. At this stage, she hears her coach Ronaldo walk up saying, slow down. And she's actually trying to slow down, but continues to pull away from the field. Kebona Davis slowing down in second, just ahead of Sasha Lee Ford from Sprint Tech. So this is your former world champion, 2013 world champion in the 200 meters. Eases across the line. She's ready for that final. So the 3 winners, Elaine Thompson-Mira wins semi-final 1. Sherika Jackson wins semi-final 2. Shelly and Fraser Pryce wins semi-final number 3. Those are the same 3 ladies who were first, second, and third in the 200 meters at these championships last year. You get the same position.